Welcome to GCE Structura, the ultimate destination for structural and civil engineering excellence. Are you passionate about structural engineering, civil engineering, or design? Look no further. At GCE Structura, we bring you cutting-edge tutorials, insights, and tips to elevate your engineering skills. From design to analysis, discover the latest trends and techniques in structural engineering, master foundation engineering, construction management, and more in civil engineering. Get hands-on with tools like AutoCAD, Revit, STAAD Pro, and more in design software. Dive into engineering mechanics, dynamics, and earthquake engineering with our advanced techniques. Whether you're a student aiming for top grades, a professional seeking to stay ahead, or simply curious about the field, our channel is here to guide
you every step of the way.
Join our community of enthusiastic learners and industry experts.
Subscribe now and never miss
Out on our latest updates,
tutorials and career advice.
Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and follow us on social media to stay connected. Let's build the future together, one structure at a time. Thank you for choosing GCE Structura. We're excited to embark on this engineering journey with you.